our score table with our 8 athletes. Remember, in this event we have 2 series, 250 seconds right now, 5 shots per series, and then 2 shots one by one in 50 seconds. Every 2 shots, one of them will be eliminated. Here we go with the first round of shoots. The coaches or assistant cannot communicate with their athletes in a verbal way, but they can do a non-verbal communication by touching them, tapping them in the back, in the shoulder, or in the elbow. Some of them touch in the head, for them to know if they have to aim lower, upper, left, right, whatever. This shooting is a bit slower than the rest of the competition because it's harder for them to make a clear shot, a good one. Anyway, we have 10.8 points for Encinas Enciales from Spain. So bad last shot for Saveska from Poland. Second one finishing, Moscow from Poland too. Only have one Polish athlete left. I think right now they are all done. Only one athlete left. Sonia Rivero. She's taking her time to make the last shot, and A. 2 points. After this first series, the first one in the scoreboard is Aguirre from Spain with 48.5 points, followed by Viliam Holenda from Slovakia and Barbara Moscow from Poland. The second series is about to start. Another 5 shots. .250 seconds. for this Syria. Two tens in the score right now from Spain, Solabarrieta and Zajeska from Poland. $10.5 points for Zajeska from Poland. Nice shot. There she goes, Moscow with first athlete finishing this event, this competition, the second series. We have now to wait the rest of them, and after that we have two shots, one by one, and after the first two shots we will have the first eliminated. After this second series, we have two shots, one by one, and after these two shots, we will have the first eliminated. Last one, the athletes from Poland. Wojciechowska.
Stop.
That's how ends the second series. Let's see the scoreboard. We have in the first place Agar from Spain, the second place Barbara Moscow from Poland, third place for Viliam Holenda from Slovakia, followed by close for the other two Spanish athletes. Fast first shot for four of them. Only 10 seconds for this.
Stop. For the next competition shot,
Let's see the 12th shot that will with us the first eliminated. Right now, Poland has 2 athletes. Right now, it's Czech Republic who is the one in the edge of the elimination. So the first eliminated in this competition, it's Sajewska from Poland. You are disconnecting the device. Final score of 92.3 points for her. Congratulations for being in this final to Sajewska. The first place right now is for Ager from Spain, the second place for Barbara Moscow from Poland, and the third place for Viliam from Slovakia. Let's see our 13th shot. The first one of this series of 2 shots for the elimination. Nice shot for Moscow from Poland, 10.6 points. We have another shot, the second one, the 14th one for the elimination. It seems that it's going to be for Martin Adamek. 7th position this competition. Let's see, because if some of the rest fail, do a huge fail, it doesn't seems to be the case. There he goes, Czech Republic with a 7.4 points, which is giving him the 7th position for him. Adamek Martins with the 7th position. He's connecting the higher device. The assistant and coach is putting the safety flags because that's always the first thing to do. Roman Oljevsky, the coach of Czech Republic. Ager keeps the first place, Barbara the second place, and Viliam from Slovakia the third place as the previous scoreboard. Let's see this first shot. Bad shot for Poland. Ojowska. Right now, Katarina from Poland has almost, I think, the sixth position for her. But Manuel Encinas with the first shot of this round. Whoa, nice shot for Moscow. 10.7 points. Good shooting for Moscow from Poland. And right now it's down because even if Slovakia fails, the sixth place is for Poland, Katarina Ojowska. Katarina Ojowska with a final score of 126.8 points. Congratulations for being in this final. Scoreboard, Barbara Moscow goes to the first position, Agar moves to the second one, and Sonia goes ahead from Viliam. Sonia from Spain got the third place, and Viliam goes from Slovakia goes to the fourth place. Fast shot from Agar from Spain, 8.6. Yes, a bit above Moscow, only for 0.1 points. Nice shot from Holenda, Slovakia, 10.4 points. Let's see, this second shot, who is going to give you us the fifth place.
Next competition shot, low. Start.
Right now, Manuel Encinas has tough way. But he seems to be the one who's out. Let's see about Sonia Rivero. She's taking her time like she usually does. She just shot just before the other offload for Agapito. But this competition, the next eliminated is Manuel Encinas Santiales from Spain. Our scoreboard right now with Barbara Moscow in the first place, Agar Solavarieta in the second place, and Viliam Holenda in the third place from Slovakia. Fifth place for Manuel Encinas Santiales from Spain. Let's see this first shot for these two rounds. Quiet shot for Agar. So fast. He scored 6.9 only. This may be awful for his total score. Let's see. The 20th shot for the fourth elimination. Let's see if Agor this time is taking a bit more time to shoot, because last time didn't work very well. Here he goes, the first one, but scoring 10.2 points right now. That strategy for him worked. Nice shot for Barbara Mosca with 10.5. The fourth place is for our Spanish athlete, Sonia Rivero. Fourth place for Sonia with a final score of 177.9 points. Our scoreboard right now with Barbara Moscal in the first place, Ager Solovarrieta in the second place, and Viliam Holenda in the third place from Slovakia. Right now, we are in the moment of truth. The bronze medal. '21st shot right now for the bronze medal. The second shot right now for the third place for the bronze medal. Right now, if the things keep like now, is for Slovakia, Viliam Holenda, but let's see, because we never know what can happen. Solovarrieta with the first shot, as is usual in this competition. 9.1. And that's it. The second shot, the third place and bronze medals goes to Viliam Holenda from Slovakia, with his assistant Vladimir Holenda and his coach Dansak Fodorova. Our bronze medal, Viliam Holenda, with only 17 years old, playing as junior. He has just a world record in junior in this competition. Right now, we have Ager in the second place. First place, the Polish athlete. Here we goes with the first shot of this series of two, one by one. Our shot number 23rd. 9 for Barbara. Ager has just changed the strategy. 8.5 for Ager. This is going to be tough for him if he wants the gold medal, because he's like 3 points under Barbara Moskal from Poland. He needs her to fail if he wants to get the gold medal, but I don't know if that's happening now. Agro now waiting for the Polish athlete to shoot first. He has just changed his strategy. Remember, the last shots, he was the first one. But the bronze medal goes to Slovakia, Viliam Holenda. The silver medal goes to Ager Solabarrieta Chagartegui with Maite Badiola as assist and Luciano Porta as coach. And the first place and the gold medal goes to Poland, Katarina Ojowska, with her assistant Dariusz Mendejewski and her coach Adam Dowask. They are waiting for the photo podium with their assistants. Bronze medal for the Slovakia, Viliam Holenda. Silver medal for Agel Solabarrieta from Spain, and gold medal for Barbara Moskel. Congratulations for the three of them, the six of them with their assistants. And remember, today we have our last competition today, P4 final. Keep waiting for us to come back